Pry out the air conditioning trim panel with the rocker. Take out the connecting plug on the back of the air conditioning trim panel, and then place the air conditioning trim panel to one side. Remove the fixing screws of the original display screen. Remove the fixing screws of the hose panel. Take out the connecting plug on the back of the hose panel, and then place the hose panel of the original vehicle. Remove the fixing screws of the original hose. Press the LVDS plug button on the back of the original display screen. Then take out the LVDS cable plug, and then place the original display screen. Pull the original hose outward. Take out the original hose. Then hold the E-cell plug buckle of the main engine and pull it backward to take out the E-cell plug of the hose. Get the stock microphone by plugging the audio cable on the E-cell harness to the audio cable on the USB. Press the small buckle on the original E-cell while head with tweezers, and take out the 2P green optical fiber cable. Connect the 2P green fiber optic cable to the Android E-cell female and insert it firmly. Be careful not to insert it in the wrong direction. Connect the E-cell plug of the original hose to the middle of Android E-cell harness. Connect the Android E-cell cable female to the back of the original hose. Insert the plug and press the buckle to make it firmly installed. Put the Android E-cell harness inside the instrument panel and thread the plug end to the base of the display screen. Thread the USB harness plug to the base of the display and lay the female end of the USB connection cable into the passenger compartment. Remove the passenger side shield. Thread the plug-ins of 4G antenna and GPS antenna through the storage box to the base of the display screen. Peel off the double-sided tape on the back of the 4G antenna and GPS antenna and tape them to the dash. And use a buckboard to press the exposed harness into the car. Install the original host back to its original position. Confirm that it is installed in place, and then lock and fix the original host. Restore the connection plug on the back of the host panel, and then install it back in place. Attach the base and lock the screws. Restore the connection plug on the back of the air conditioning trim panel, and then install it back to its original position. Connect the plugs of the Android ESO harness, 4G antenna, GPS antenna, and USB harness to the back of the Android device, and connect the stock LVDS male connector to the back connector of the Android device via the LVDS extension cable. Install the Android device on the display base of the original vehicle, and fix the Android device with locking screws. Ignition. Start the car powered on to check whether the Android device can be turned on normally. Check whether the functions are normal.